Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. So this is Unity Holiday Giveaway. So thank you all that joined. If you look over here, you'll see the people that joined. If I missed your name, if y'all don't see your name, like pause this, send me an email across the screen, and I'll just send y'all something. I wanted everybody to put their comment on YouTube. Some people was putting their comment on Instagram and Facebook, which I if y'all read it, it didn't say that, because I was advertising it on it, but I just didn't want to have so many places where comments was. So I mainly said to go subscribe to YouTube. Y'all see how long this head ain't got? It's so long. It's about longer than me. Literally, I'm like 5'3" point something. Because my sister 5'4" and I'm shorter than her. I don't know what size I am, what height I am, y'all. But let me just show y'all a few things. So before I do that, if you look over here, if I'm pointing right, you're going to see a color purple book, which will be shipped strictly to y'all, separate from, it might be shipped separate from the giveaway. But if I get it, if I feel like I can get it in time, then it will be shipped with the giveaway. But I'm thinking it's going to be shipped separate. So y'all see the color purple DVD and the color purple book. It's either going to be one of those that I'm going to ship with the giveaway. Also, you will receive some Unity stencils. I'm not going to tell y'all which one they is. Y'all just got to be surprised. And you will also receive wood, like wood shapes. I'm just showing y'all these right here in front of me, but you will receive some different wood shapes. A whole bunch of other things just added. And I'm going to show y'all some of the stuff. So you will receive a color purple tote. You can use it for your groceries. Now I wish I would have got my behind up, but I was working and went to the premiere because my sister said it was good. We receive some Enzo flakes, this color purple notepad. You will also receive this Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength 7-oil blend hair scapping oil for weak breakage in perm hair. No petroleum, mineral oil, or artificial colors with castor oil and black cumin seed. They put black seed in here. Interesting. So this by Carol's Daughter. You will receive that. And then you got some Mod Podge dishwashing safe. And then you also have the color purple. It's a little mirror. Let me show you that real quick. It's cute. And then you got, like, I could show y'all these real fast. The video. Metallic paints by Folk Art. You got a gold and a steel. It's pretty. It's really pretty. I got those. And then you also have some sugar metallics. I'm not going to show y'all all that. I'll just put a picture up here and y'all will see the sugar metallics. You got, I think, 6 of those. And then you have some Folk Art paints. And I'm also going to give y'all 3 pair of Boabw earrings that I made. So you're getting stencils. You're just going to have a whole bunch of stuff. So I know y'all ready for me to say who won. So what I did, I put everybody's name in this jar right here. And I'm going to shake it up. Shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Ooh, ooh. Thank y'all for the ones that subscribe, the new subscribers. Thank y'all. Salam, salam. If y'all haven't joined my membership, look in the link below. You get 2 DIYs for $14.99 a month. And thank all the people that's a part of the membership. Some people private, some people not. And I got some dope DIYs coming up. The ones that's a part of the membership, y'all got a DIY coming up now. That should be uploaded. This video is literally the day that I'm putting this video up is this day. We got a storm coming in Florida. It been raining all day, so I say let me go on and do it, get it out to y'all. So while we all looking at this video, I'm down in the comments with y'all. All right, so let's see who won. I'm excited, y'all. All right. I'm doing this just one time. Now, I did put 2 pieces of blank paper in there. So if I grab one of those, then I'll have to do it again. Yalla. I'm going to open it on the screen so y'all can see. S.A. Samick 415. You are the winner. So what you got to do, beloved, is send me your address to this email right here and say put the winner. And if I don't hear from you within 24 hours, this next person going to win. So I'm going to pick one more person. Let's check it up one more time. Because that's the thing with giveaways. That's why I wanted everybody to say I want to be a part of the giveaway. Because I done did giveaways in the past. And I tell it. And then I don't hear from that person. I'm just holding this stuff. And then the next person, I could have gave it to the next person. I end up just breaking that stuff up and giving it to, just putting it in my orders as they go out. Also, y'all go check out boabw.com for the dopest hand painted earrings. It's over 500 pair on that site. I'm adding some dope ones. And also, I do ownership designs. What I do, I create designs for artists. And I give y'all the copyrights to it. It be y'all. I never sold this design or none of that. And if you want to see some of the ownership designs, you got to hit me up on KUnity77 on IG. Send me a message and say you're interested in seeing the ownership designs. This is an ownership design that's available right now. You literally could own this design. I will send you the sample. You can mass produce it and everything. If this don't sell in the next 2 days, it's going on my website. So these are beautiful. So this is up for ownership. The sample will get to you along with all the paperwork that is your design. So hit me up on KUnity77 if you're interested in these. And I do placement pans for certain people that have supported me either through the ownership or either through my website. So you can own these and you can mass duplicate them. And if you need me to make a stencil for them, I will. All right. So if you want to, also, if you want to join the membership, this is one of the DIYs we did in the membership, y'all. It's so dope. And I used the matte gloss on it. I like matty. I like the way it look. It reminds me of material. But this is all hand painted. If you're part of this was one of the ownership designs for this month. I just got mine's black. All right, I just want to show y'all that. Second person, if this person don't contact me right here, let me show her name again. I'm putting it across the screen, right across the screen too. This next person gonna get it. And if the person do contact me, I will send this person right here a pair of earrings. All right, y'all. I'm excited. I'll be excited about stuff like this. I like getting gifts with a whole bunch of stuff in it. Oh, look at it. So this is Kelly Pearson. Oh, that's so dope. She support me so much. All right, so Kelly, if this beloved sister don't contact me, all of it's yours. If not, I'm gonna send you a pair of earrings. So that was fun, y'all. Start doing giveaways every other month. Y'all make sure y'all leave. It's gonna be a random giveaway. So make sure y'all leave a beautiful comment. And starting January the 1st, I'm gonna really be looking at the comments. And you can just put anything you want. It don't have to be, you know, as long as it's positive. All right, y'all. I guess that's it. Salam to all. I want to say thank you all that was a part of the giveaway. Don't worry, because I'm gonna do more giveaways. And this the thing, you know how you do giveaways, people say the person that won in the last giveaway can't do the next one. I'm not like that. You can always, you could win last month, and if your name get picked again, you'll win again. That's just, some people be like, you can't be in a giveaway because you won before. I don't do that. All right, y'all. This was an ownership design. Nobody didn't get them, and that was interesting. So guess what? If y'all want to purchase these, they're on my website. So beautiful. All right, y'all. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Leave a beautiful comment. If y'all want to donate to this channel, y'all can donate as low as $1, however you want. The information is across the screen. Also, I have an Amazon wish list in the link below if you want to send me something cute. It's usually art in my Amazon wish list. It's usually like art supplies and cat stuff. I've been adding a little more stuff because y'all asked me to add a little more stuff. And thank you all that sent me birthday gifts. I haven't did a video to show y'all, but when I do use it, I will show y'all and tell y'all how I like it. So I got Amazon wish list in the link below. Like I said, if you want to donate to this channel, you can. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. Y'all, I've been like taking care of 9 cats daily. So if y'all really want to donate, if y'all don't want to donate to the channel, just donate to my cats. And I thank the ones that donated to my cats. Be like, I don't like cats, but I donate to them. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Because it get really expensive taking care of 9 cats. And I take care of 3 on the inside. And then I take care of 6 outside. But sometimes other ones that I haven't seen might come and eat, you know. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all in our next video. And don't forget to respect those that respect you. And look out for more DIYs, Unity moments. And I got some new segments coming up for 2024. And don't forget to look at my Kwanzaa. I have a Kwanzaa DIY coming up starting next week. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.